welcome back to the workshop. Now in the last episode I was not able to complete one of my projects, which was the t-shirt design, so that's essentially what I'm going to do on this episode, is finish the front side and model it for you all. So let's get started. For this project today we are going to focus on the front end of our t-shirt and complete the project that we started on the last episode. So on the front end of my t-shirt I'm going to paint my first alien on the series. And then I'm going to make a really elaborate background with the glitter coming in from the sleeves, and then we're going to have another painted color here in the background. Alright guys, my 34th project has been completed officially. So I really love this t-shirt design. It actually opened up my mind a little bit to ideas that I can use for season 3. So I think I'm going to start painting on t-shirts more and making handbags, anything I can possibly think of to use as a different canvas. And that's kind of where I want to transition to for season 3. Going off of the canvas and using my art to decorate other things as well. Alright, what's next is episode 29, which will be a double creation round where I'll be making Winter's Paradise and the Tesseract. And then we'll be finishing off the series with episode 30, which will be the Haunted House episode. Cannot wait, we will see you then.